My name is Richard Hibbits. Bobbitt built my first building for me probably in the early 80s and have built for me and my clients probably 400, 500,000 square feet, maybe a dozen, 2 dozen buildings. For many projects you would want to use a design build. The main reason I did it was designing to cost. We come into a site and my idea of what I want to build is more expensive. I can ask Bobbitt what I can change to make it work for my numbers. And sometimes they can do that, sometimes they can't. Sometimes we have to not do the project because it won't work. But most of the time they figure out how to do things in a very economical way. Well, the first thing that comes to mind is the fact that something screws up, you're going to fix it. We had a building that another contractor built for us. I was trying out another contractor. It's 30,000 feet. It's a metal roof. The guy screwed up the roof. And so I said, okay, fix the roof. And he said, the only way I'll fix it is if you let me off my guarantee. So the only way we got him to fix the roof was him to fix the roof, and then we couldn't look to him to do anything else. That's not what I would expect, and that's been my experience with Bobbitt. If something screws up, they're going to fix it, and they're going to be here to fix it. You actually get the numbers. I mean, an architect is not actually going out there in the marketplace, buying materials and hiring subcontractors. They have to go by rules of thumb, and a lot of them, have never built anything. Going out there and say, put up that girder. And it's just nice to know that when Bobbitt actually tells me a price, it's something they're going to expect to have to meet. So when Bobbitt gives me a price, it is the price. And if it's not the right price, then we'll work on designing the building so we can get the right price right, so that we can actually do it. It's a more realistic approach.